there are 23 circles that I've positioned in a harmonious composition. They're all made out of different species of wood. 23 species of wood formed into 23 circles. This number is very special because humans have 23 chromosomes in their genome. The different species, to me, represent different people, different kinds of people, different backgrounds, different cultures coming together as a team, making a success of the hospital. With this piece, as with all of my artwork, I want people to feel a sense of awe about nature, about their role in nature, and about the artwork itself.